Hey guys, welcome to Foraging for Survival. Just out here in beautiful San Diego, enjoying the day, guys. Taking a hike around. Yeah, it's been a beautiful day. So, yeah. Oh, come on. I'll take you for a walk. So, yeah, there's a, what do you call that stuff? Buckwheat. That's what it is. Yeah, a whole bunch of buckwheat right here. So, yeah. Oh, wow. Wow, so pretty. Wow. Wow, that was so pretty, guys. Wow. All right. So, yeah, I said I've been out here pretty much all morning long. It's into the afternoon now, but looks like antelope's trying to dig. But yeah, it's not bad. It's been beautiful out. I started from like that, not this one, but that one over there. I started way over there this morning and hiked around and did all that, and then came around and then I came around, went up top there, up top by those rocks, hung out, found a bee's nest, which was pretty cool. And now I'm just hiking back. So yeah, not too bad. Man, it's a really cool cactus, guys. I'd like to show you if I can find it again. I'm not gonna spoil it yet, but man, it's just really cool looking. You'll understand why when I find it. But yeah, it's beautiful out here, guys. Not too bad. So, yeah, some prickly pear cactus right there, guys. And I've been running into a lot of desert sage, so, which is really cool. I love sage. It's got a lot of medicinal uses to it. So, yeah. But let's see if we can locate this cactus. There's a lot of buckwheat around, other plants and stuff like that. There's some more prickly pear cactus. Yeah. But man, nice view, guys. I mean, like I said, I was up on those rocks this morning, hanging out. But man, it's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, let's get back to it. Yeah. I think we're coming up on it. Shoot, I don't know. It's been a while, man. Passed it a while ago. That might be it down there. I think it might be. That just might be it. Who knows? I don't know. Trying to find this cactus though. It was really cool. Like a really cool cactus. It was in a perfect shape of a heart. And I'll tell you guys what it was It was in a perfect shape of a heart, and it just grew that way. And hopefully I can backtrack enough and head back this way. I remember seeing it, I just don't know like exactly where I seen it. But yeah. Matter of fact, that's an area where I sat down and had lunch. So I do remember that. Alright. Oh wow. I see some desert sage. Alright, we are getting close, guys. I remember those gnarly looking cactuses right there. Yeah. There it is. I see it. I see it. I think. Oh no, wrong one. Wrong one. But it is. It's a prickly pear cactus. Hey, you guys are gonna enjoy this. I'm gonna show you. But man, just the view, guys. I mean, look at this. It is just absolutely beautiful out here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Alright. Well, I thought I was getting close. There you go. Alrighty. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That might be it down there. That might be it down there, guys. Yeah, I remember passing these funky cactuses there. There it is. That's the one that we were looking for, guys. It's that patch of cactus right there. And we'll be there in 1 second, guys. Yeah. So. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I see it already. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, here's my little pathway I went down earlier. But check that out, guys. Check that out. And there's one more right there. That little one right there. It's kinda, you can kinda see it, but it's not as shaped like this one. So, alright guys. Oh, and this prickly pear cactus, you guys can eat it. Tastes like asparagus. But yeah. So, yep. As we always say, guys, y'all just try to be good people out there and have a good day. 'Cause you know I am.